Mastering Equations in GRE's Algebra. Hello learners! Today, we are diving deep into the realm of equations, a vital component of the GRE's Quantitative Reasoning Algebra section. Equations are the backbone of algebra, and getting comfortable with them will boost your confidence and performance. Let's unravel the secrets of equations together. An equation is a mathematical statement that two expressions, separated by an equals sign, are equivalent. This means they represent the same value. For instance, 5 plus 3 equals 8. Here, the sum of 5 and 3 is equal to 8. 1. Linear equations. These are equations of the first degree. An example is 2x plus 3 equals 112x plus 3 equals 112x plus 3 equals 11. The highest power of the unknown is 1. 2. Quadratic equations. Equations of the second degree. For instance, x2 minus 5x plus 6 equals 0x caret 2 to 5x plus 6 equals 0 by 2 minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Here, the highest power of the unknown is 2. 3. Simultaneous equations. When you have more than one equation and you solve them together. For example, x plus y equals 12x plus y equals 12x plus y equals 12x minus y equals 4x. Y equals 4x minus y equals 4. 4. Polynomial equations. These can be of degree 3, 4, or even higher. For example, a cubic equation would look like x3 plus 2 by 2 minus 5x plus 6 equals 0x cubed plus 2x caret 2 to 5x plus 6 equals 0 by 3 plus 2 by 2 minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. 1. Balancing method. The basic premise is that what you do on one side, you must do on the other to maintain balance. If you add 2 on the left, you add 2 on the right. 2. Factorization. This is especially useful for quadratic equations. For example, to solve x2 minus 5x plus 6 equals 0x caret 2 to 5x plus 6 equals 0 by 2 minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. You might factorize it to x minus 2, x minus 3, equals 0, x2, x3, equals 0, x minus 2, x minus 3, equals 0. 3. Substitution, used commonly in simultaneous equations. From our earlier example, you can express y in terms of x using the first equation and then substitute in the second. Equations are not just abstract concepts. They have real-world applications. From calculating interest rates to determining speeds or distances, mastering equations gives you a tool to solve everyday problems. For the GRE, a solid grasp of equations can help you tackle a range of questions efficiently, saving you valuable time. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of equations. With regular practice and understanding, equations can become your strong suit in the GRE. Always remember, algebra is just a language, and like any other language, practice makes perfect. Keep solving, and until next time, happy studying!